Hey everybody, it's Michael with GrassFlap here. It's a beautiful spring day here at the shop, and we just put a GrassFlap on a brand new 2025 Exmark Vertex X 52-inch stand-on. This one's got the foot pedal, and I just kind of wanted to show you all the little intricacies of the kit itself. So we'll start with the plate, all metal 42B Exmark plate, and we've got our Exmark no drill mount here, just 4 bolts, get you all in there, no drilling required. It's cable driven just like all our other stuff. So the way that we have the routing here is it comes right off the spring mount. We've got it zip tied right here on this deck arm. And then if you come up top here, there's another zip tie that we put on the back here where there is right by the engine. And so then that snakes down through on this backside. And if you can see here, it kind of comes out on that backside. You got a little extra length cable here, so we've got it coming off right to the middle, and then I've got it snaked up. I like mine in the middle of the foot pan, which allows it. So in operation, same like everything else. So with the foot pedal, it's fully open, fully closed. And then if you want to, you can also feather if you just rest your foot right there to have a partial as well. So like I say, guys, we got plenty of these in stock, and let us know if you need anything. All right, thanks.